Hello everyone, and welcome back to Aries Cupcakes. So today for Christmas I am going to be showing you how to make some cupcakes, how to decorate them really cute, and how to make Santa hats. See, I have my hat on. So I'm going to show you how to put hats on cupcakes. All you need is cupcakes, of course, some white vanilla buttercream, fresh strawberries, smell really good. And then here I just have some regular white sugar. Now with my sugar, I'm just gonna add these decorative wispy white crystals to my regular sugar just to make it look a little more shiny. I also have these sprinkles here that are a little more silver shiny that I'm going to be using to give it more of a snowy effect on top of the cupcakes, but I'll show you what we'll do with that in a moment. So let's get right to decorating. Okay, so first thing we need to do is just simply frost our cupcakes. So I'm not piping any frosting on the cupcakes. I'm just simply going to spread the frosting on top because this is just going to be like snow. Nothing fancy. Just snow on top of the cupcake. All right, so next I'm just going to drop just a little bit of sugar on top of the cupcakes. Again, give it that snowy effect. It's snowing, let it snow, let it snow. Now I'm gonna take some of my silver sprinkles, which are really shiny. I don't know if you can see that in my hand, how sparkly those are. I'll just drop a few of those on as well. I'm actually going to put a few more because I like the way that shines in the sugar. See how sparkly that is? I like bling. It's blingy. I'm just going to mix it around just a little bit, not too much, because I kind of want it to stay layered on top for the next part of what we're going to do. So next is our strawberries. Now, super important, just like I said in my strawberry milkshake cupcake video, not sure if you saw that, but it's very important that your strawberries are dry. Wash them because you don't want to eat bugs, but make sure they're dry. So once they are dry, I'm just going to dip them into my buttercream on the bottom and just twist it around so that you get enough buttercream on the bottom of the strawberry. All right, and then you want to pull it up. You may need to use a toothpick or something to get it up, but see, you've got the frosting on there. Boom. That's going to be the bottom of the Santa hat. And then you're just going to drop it in the sugar and twist. Get some of that bling and that sugar on the buttercream. And then you're simply going to drop it in the middle of your cupcake. Like such. You're going to need a little ball on the top of the hat. So you just simply take the cupcake and just spread just a tiny bit on top of the cupcake like that. You can shape it around a little so that it doesn't look, you know, too off. Just like that. Boom. Nice. And then you're just going to put a little more sugar just right on the tip. Just like that. Because the ball needs to be a little fuzzy too. And that's it. Cute Santa hat cupcakes. Say this isn't cute. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with tutorials, recipes, and so much more. Also, be sure to like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram at Aries_Cupcakes. Visit AriesCupcakes.com for blogs, recipes, and so much more. Thank you all for your support. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you again for watching. Hope to see you all soon. Bye-bye.